lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra and here we are back with a new video. Yay, we're back again. I know last week's video was a vlog, but today I thought I'd bring you guys something more makeup again. Sorry for my nails, I have to get them done. Anyway, for you guys today I have a palette. I want to show you this look with this palette I found at Hot Topic. Since it was Halloween, I thought it'd be like a scary Halloween-y type theme today. So this is the palette. Let's see if you guys know where this is from. Take a guess. No? The handbook for the recently deceased. This palette is from the movie Beetlejuice. I don't know if many of you have seen this movie, but there's this guy who they're like very interested in like the dead, the recently dead. So he carries like this book around. They have this book. But this palette, what I thought it was interesting about this palette was that it was actually shaped like a book. And if I open it, here are the eyeshadows. There's 3, 6, 9, 12 eyeshadows and a mirror. And I think this palette costs $17. I'm pretty sure. Good thing they had like a tester at the store, because I swatched a couple of eyeshadows and the pigment was crazy. And I thought this palette was very interesting. Look at these colors, like very movie theme. So yeah, I thought you guys want to see. So if you want to see a look with this palette, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So you guys are gonna see more of my face, so you guys can see my eyes. Oh, you guys are pretty up close. Okay, so what I thought, I'd go in with this first color, and I'm gonna start with the color Miss Argentina. So this color. And I'm just gonna go all over my crease. But as I'm like grabbing color, I can see there's a lot of fallout on the shadow. So if you don't mind that, I mean, I don't mind fallout, but I know some people who do makeup or on YouTube or whatever, they like, oh, fallout, whatever. But it was just yeah, it's gone. When I do my eyeshadow, I usually go more up than normal, because since if you can see, I have like a hooded eye. So if I would go normally down here, when I open my eye, you couldn't see anything on the lid. So I usually go more up higher. The next color I'm gonna go in with is this Bio Exorcist color. This green color right here. So I'm gonna go under that one. Whoa! That's a lot of fallout. Let me just wipe it off. That's a lot. That was a lot more than I expected. I think I got it all over my face. Yeah, never mind. It is an extremely amount of fallout. I know how I said I wouldn't mind, but I mind. I'm looking very green today. Okay, the next color I'm gonna use is the color, this color Juno. This color right here. And then I'm just gonna put it on my lid. This is gonna be like a very easy, as you can see, very easy look. Okay, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab some black. The last color here is called Strange and Unusual. This color. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my outer corner just to give it a little bit more. This shade, this black shade, is actually not as pigmented as the other ones, and there's not a lot of fallout. And just go back and blend it. Always blend, guys, always blend. Okay, and now I'm gonna go under my eye with this very beautiful purple called Dark Room. So this one here, and I'm just gonna grab some and put it under my eye. Again, this one's not as extreme as the green one. And now I'm gonna grab this other purple called It's Showtime and just add.
Here's Johnny.
Okay, so I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna put eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna finish this look off camera, and then I will be back. Okay, guys. So this is the final look. Let me show you guys more up close. Okay. So this is the eye. Just put like eyeliner, highlight, and then my lashes. I'm wearing the Lily lashes, Miami, in case you want to know. And then on the lips, I use the Kat Von D's liquid lip in Witches. And then I just added a little bit of eyeshadow here in the middle just to, you know, bring it up a little bit more. But yeah, this is my look. What do you think? I'm dark. I've never gone this dark or had much color, but I think I like it. Kind of cute. Kind of cute. This is my look. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. Something easy, something simple, something you can wear Halloween, or if you like to wear like this, like I wish I could wear like this, some like bold colors every day, but you know, neutrals and whatever. But this is actually, I love how it turned out. I like the look. Okay, so I thought I would swatch a couple shades from you. I want to show you guys this orange. It's called Dante's Inferno. So this is Dante's Inferno. Then let me swatch this red one. The red one is called Lydia. One of the characters is called Lydia. This is Lydia. Oh, see the fallout? Yeah. That's the only thing about this palette. The fallout is crazy. And how about the silver, like a silver bluish one? It's called Sandworm. This one right here. Look at this silver one is actually pretty. This red one is the one who like cracked and And what about, let's just, for fun, let's do just the last one. Let's do Beetlejuice. Let me swatch Beetlejuice. Because, of course, Beetlejuice. Ooh. So, this is Beetlejuice. So Beetlejuice, Lydia, Dante's Inferno, and Sanborn. Those are a couple of the shades. For 12 shades, I mean, I got it mostly because like the book, the theme, but 12 shades for $17 is not that bad, especially if you like to collect palettes, eyeshadow palettes. I thought this was unique and it's cool. It's a Hot Topic. Go get it. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this look. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.